taking that door switch out right there. Why? Because he'll thank me one day, because it will go bad. In. Now we have the door panel sitting because we just took it off. And I think there's only one screw holding this thing in, which is right here. I'm listening to my podcast. Let's confirm that, because it looks like a 7mm. That stays up. Nope, it's a Phillips. This has got to pop out because it looks like it's overlapping. So let's pull this out and make it fly. Yeah, there's nothing over here. I grabbed from here. Typically, you can feel it. It's kind of tight, but I just pulled from this corner. Pulled, and pulled. And we're gonna go upward. So up and over, up and over. And there we have, here's the doors. Handle switch thingy. And let's squeeze this and see what we got going on. There we go. Just a squeeze. Right in the center right there. And pull out. We're going to get the casualties, the ones who are left behind, and put them back. You see? They came out. So we got to get this one out. Just pry it out with a tool. I'll show you. See? Easy peasy. Now we get the other one that fell on the floor, which is this one. Put them back in, and there you have it. You flip upside down. I took these 3 screws out. You don't have to, because they don't do anything. Not for what we're doing with this. It doesn't go technically up. It goes down. So with it upside down, like I showed you, these are just, you can use your fingers. You can use a tool like this, but it was just easier for me to go use your hands and go up under and push upward. So as you push upward, these will unlock and stay unlocked. You see? Now we still have 3 more. There's one right there, another tab. I'll show you the tabs when I take it out. Those tabs have to be pushed in, and that's what locks it into place. So let's get it out. I swear to you, you guys better start donating, because right there is the button. This was a major pain. These are very deep down, so you really have to get something like this to push it outward, because it's so low. Not sure if that's the part number or this the part number, but that's how you get it out. So this is a major pain in the rear. It took me 20 minutes, literally no joke, 20 minutes to get to see that this thing is not just a push-in tab. You really got to get something in there to push this down. So you're going down this way as it slides. You're going down here so far, so this helps with how far down you have to go to pry it back and then push from the other side. Oh yeah, my shoulder hurts from leaning my arm on this little ledge trying to get this thing out. But in theory, you don't have to do that. Just go in here with this and push the tab out. That's what we want to do. That's the only thing holding me up. These 2 are so far down, you can't really get to them, because this is actually blocking, you see? So it doesn't move far enough. So there you go. Donate, baby. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.